Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Iyanu Apala, popularly known as Iyanu Apala. I'm a percussionist, I'm a music producer, I'm an artist manager, and I'm also the official talk drummer for Bidemi Olaoba. I'm glad to be here. I'm really glad to be here. So based on popular demand, I've decided to be active on this platform. I'll be bringing to you some tutorials, some tips and tricks on the talking drum, and I will also be bringing some bosses in the industry so we can learn and have fun together. Get your questions ready. All those questions in my DM, in my comment section, all those long questions. So I think this is the time for us to deliberate on it and to talk about it. So bring it out. Then do not forget to subscribe and put on your post notification on so that you won't miss out on any of the episodes. See you next time. God bless you.